Okay, I want to show you something that commonly happens to people using SolidWorks. Yeah, we have this little icon by the cursor that looks like a little golf tee, and we have no idea what it was, all right? And we have no idea how it became. And I can't select any face to sketch on, okay, which is a really annoying thing. I can sketch it, or might be able to select an edge, but I cannot select any face, and it's very annoying. Right, so what this actually is a filter tool, and it generally activates by accidentally pressing the letter E. Now, if I go up here, hit the drop down arrow commands and type in filter, okay, filter edges has come on. All right, so it only allows you to select edges only. So if you want to be able to select faces again, just type in filter here, untick filter edges, and now you're allowed select faces again. If you don't want that ever happening again, okay, you can do the following by going into options, or going up to the gear wheel, customize. Okay, and then we're going over to keyboard, all right, and if we type in filter here, you can see that these buttons here are the default faces or shortcuts to activating these commands. So if you accidentally press V, you're going to have the same thing. All right, you're only going to be allowed to select vertices. If you accidentally pressed X, okay, you can only select faces. So the default buttons in SolidWorks are E, X, and V. Okay, now, so if you don't want them happening again, you can go up to Customize, Keyboard, and type in Filter. And you can remove the shortcuts there, and OK. And that's not going to happen again. Or if you see it, okay, and it's up, you can type in filter, and whichever one is held down. So say, for example, there, I can only select faces at the moment. You can go to the button and untick it. Right, thank you.